Oh my gosh, that's not a crappie, bro. That's not a crappie. Bro, if that's a crappie, that's a monster.
The sun is up, the birds are chirping, the crappie are biting somewhere, and we're about to go find them and put the hammer down on them. I'm pumped about this trip. Let's go! This is Matt from 925 Ultralight Fishing, and I'm on my way to go meet Jessie up at Clear Lake here in California, where we got monster crappie. We're actually gonna be doing something that we've never done before, and that's go to the main lake at Clear Lake. Now, Clear Lake is one of the biggest lakes in California, and so it can be a little intimidating, and you can get lost out there looking for a school of crappie. You get out there on a kayak, and that place is like an ocean. So I got a game plan, and I'm fairly confident it's gonna work. What I'm talking about doing is going out with the fish finder, using side scan to scan for structure. And then as I find structure off to the side of the boat or whatever, come paddle over the top of it, and then use down scan to see if I see any fish stacked up on that structure. Once I think I've spotted some fish, I'm gonna throw out a buoy marker right where I think I marked them, and then anchor up because it's gonna be windy, and try to just sit on that stack of fish until I clean them out. We're gonna be using, of course, the No BS slip bobber from 925, the ultimate crappie bobber. We're just gonna be having a great time, man. I think we're gonna hammer them today. I really do. I'm excited about this.
It's a big crappie. Bingo! Oh my gosh, that is a monster crappie. Jackpot! Jessie! Oh yeah! They're all around that buoy marker, stacked up, bro. Fish like 10 feet down. Jessie's on, folks. Ooh, it's a good one. It's a slabber dabber. Yes, sir. Yep. Got him. That's a crappie. Woo! We found the stack, folks. Let's get them to the boat, boys. Come on. A little smaller, but he'll do. Better than a sharp stick in the eye. I'm on it. Got him. Woo! Oh, that's a good one. That's a mean one. Oh yeah, that's a slab. Oh, got him. Oop. Another one to the boat, boys. Oh man, I got the net caught in his mouth. There we go. Yeah, I was fully 10 feet down on that one for sure. Maybe 11. Yep. I'm on. Another slab, baby. Come on, don't get on that anchor line. Get over here, get over here, get over here. Got him. Forward to the boat, boys. You got 2 pound test on, Gary? Oh, watch that anchor line, buddy. Put your rod tip out to your side. No, out to your side, yeah. Yeah, there you go.
I see him. Oh, he's pretty.
Oh, that's a slab, bro. Bro, I might.
You can grab with your hand.
No, he's reeled all the way in, bro. Yeah.
You can't feel anymore. You gotta bring them close to you.
Yeah, see if you can. Oh, it's the line's wrapped around the fish too, bro. Okay. When he opens his mouth, yeah. That's all right. If he's there, you go. Hey! Nice. Nice. Oh yeah, another slab to the boat. Oh, he's a little smaller.
I just took myself in the hand. There's like a little pocket there. You have to put around and take it off.
Oh, I'm on. There we go. Yep. I was 10 feet down. That's a slab. There we go. Oh, yeah. Got him. Come on, baby. Come up for Papa. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, he's barely stuck. He's barely stuck. Come here. Got him, though. No smaller size, but he'll do. He's a good eater. Yep. Got him. I forgot all about that. Yes, sir. Ooh. Oh, that's a big male.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he choked it. Oh, no, he didn't. It's right there. Stand up, Bobber. Stand up, Bobber. There you go. There you go. And I'm on again. Ooh. We got a mean one on here, folks. Oh yeah. Another slab. And we're just out here getting them. No BS slip bobbers, putting in work. And the stack of crappie under my legs is getting big. Oh, got him. Come on, fish. Ooh. Get off that anchor line. Get off that anchor line. He's on my anchor line. Come on. Alright. Still on there. My bad, bro. Yeah, I got a fish. I got a fish on this anchor line right here. I broke my line, but I got the fish. I'll take it. All right, but I'm gonna get that hook back and tie it back on though. Yep. Got him. There's another one, folks. Oh, Oh, he wants to go for, oh man, we got two. Ooh, gosh. He's mean. He's a mean one. She's a mean one. Big girl. Come here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. She got a little gut on her. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're on. Oh, gosh, he's going for your anchor rope. Come on, fish. Come on, fish. Come on, fish. Come on, fish. Yeah. Got him clear. Where's my net? Where's my net? Yes, sir. Yep. Got him. Get off that anchor line, fish. Get off that anchor line. Come on. Oh boy. Big slabs, big slabs. Ooh. Choked it. Got it out though. It's another nice slab. You get him? Oh yeah. Jessie got a slab on. Oh my gosh, bro. I told you the fish were over there. You better net that thing. That might be the biggest one. Yeah, that's a good one right there. Hold that thing up. Hold that thing up to the camera. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a clear lake crappie. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, that's a slab right there, bro. Wait, let me see that real quick. That is a slab. Woo! Yep. Oh my gosh, that's not a crappie, bro. That's not a crappie. Bro, if that's a crappie, that's a monster. Oh my gosh. That is a crappie. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, dude, that's a big one. I thought that was a bass, bro, the way he started stripping drag. Woo! Golly. Yeah, I thought that looked kind of bitey. Right in a bang zone. Another slab on deck. Well, it ain't on the deck yet. It's coming to the deck right about now. We got mouths to feed back at the cabin, so yeah, it's gonna take a few of these. Luckily for us, we got more than a few. I'm drowning in crappie in my kayak right now because I forgot my stringer. So that's awesome. You're on. You're on. Hurry up, man.
He's on, folks. He's on. He's on.
Looks like a good one. I'd have to say, yeah, that's a slab. Oh yeah. 925th doing it with the no BS slip bobbers. Yep. And we're on. Come here, girl. Get on in the boat. Yeah. Yes, sir. Another slab to the boat.
I say we had a good day today, I'm talking about we had a great day. I mean, we got on them, just like I said, killed the crappie, right? Stacked up some monster slabs. We just had a great day. We fought through the challenges. We fought through the tangles, the wind, having trouble anchoring up, searching for the fish out on that giant lake. I mean, but we got them though. We had a great time. And I don't know, it was a great day. So, hey, I'll see you next time on Just Catch Something.